Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the problems with installing applications on your Honor 6X device. So at first, the very basics, we have the thing that you have to check if you are connected to the internet, either to Wi-Fi or the data transmission. As you can see, I am connected to the Wi-Fi right now. Apart from that, you have to check if you have some internet connection issues. Try enabling the airplane mode and disabling airplane mode, for example, after 10 seconds. If it didn't help you, reboot your phone. To do so, hold the power button, tap restart here and tap restart again. It will just fix some issues that are common for your phone. Your phone will boot every file, every system file again, and it should be better. Now let's wait a moment. Now, as you can see, we are almost done because of the reboot. If it did help you, that's nice. But if it didn't, you have to now clear the cache of the Play Store. You have to enter Settings, scroll down to Apps here. And here you have to search for the Play Store, which we do have. Google Play Store here. You have to tap that, tap Storage, and tap Clear Cache. It should help you fixing your problems. If it did, that's nice. But if it didn't, now go back to the settings, and scroll up till you see the mobile data. Here, tap Data Saver and disable Data Saver like I do have now. If it did help you, that's nice. If it didn't, we are going to the next step, which is the updating the application. If the Google Play have some issues with the application and you want to install, try updating the application itself, the Google Play Store application. Then, if you have some problems with the application you want to install, try updating the application even though you think that you have done it recently. Maybe the developers did update the application and fixed the bug that you have, and that lags your app. Apart from that, try to reinstall the application, uninstall and install the application back again. It should help you. But if it didn't help you, enter Settings, enter here back again to the apps, and find your installed application. For me, it's Asphalt Nitro Game. Here go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Here all clear data. Here I will tap Clear Data here. Now OK, and all is done. And the last step actually is that you have to check the compatibility of your phone. Here we do have the Android 7 and 8. Exactly, here we do have 7, and it's very old Android because we have now 16. And so yeah, check the compatibility. If it's not compatible, I'm sorry, but you can't use this application or use some port, which is difficult. And if it is compatible, do a factory reset of your phone. Go to the main menu in the settings, and here tap Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down to Other and Backup and Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset and do this. It will erase all your old data, for example photos, videos, etc., but will fix your issue for eternity actually. This is the last step. It shouldn't really be here because all the previous fixes should help you, but this is the last one which should help you. And if that helped you, please let me know in the comments, because it is the common issue, and it will be really nice if I did help you. And yeah, I am here. We are here to help you. So yeah, leave us a comment, like, and goodbye. See you next time.